Take a ride in the 2022 Cayenne. The Cayenne was an instant success for Porsche, earning both critical praise and popular acceptance while reaching 100,000 in sales faster than any Porsche model ever. Porsche just continues to improve it. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, power lift gate, driver airbag, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.